Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we are going to start a new block 13, celebrating festivals. What do you mean by festivals? Yes, festivals are the special occasions that families and friends celebrate together. Isn't it? So what are festivals? Festivals are the special occasions that friends and relatives celebrate together. Okay, special occasions. Special occasions. Occasions. Friends and families. Families celebrate together. Celebrate together, that are festival. So we know there are different festivals are there in India, isn't it? So now we can discuss which are the different festivals of India. As we all know, India has so many religions, isn't it children? So we can find out which are the festivals of India. So we can first we can discuss what are the festivals celebrated by Hindus. Now let us discuss some of the festivals of different religious people of India. So we know India has different religion, isn't it? Many religions are there in India. So we can discuss which are the festivals celebrated by different religious people. So first we can discuss which are the festivals celebrated by Hindus. Okay, which are the festivals celebrated by Hindus children? Yes, Hindus celebrate Dasra, Diwali, then Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi. These are the some of the festivals of Hindus. Okay, yes, which are the festivals of Hindu? Dasra, Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami, Durga Puja. These all are the some of the festivals celebrated by Hindus. Then we know what are the important festivals of Muslims or Islams. Yes, Muslims celebrate Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Zuha. Okay, which are the festivals of Muslims? Yes, Muslims celebrate Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Zuha. These are the some of the festivals of Muslims. Then we know some of the other religious people like Christians. What is the main festival of Christians? Yes, Christians celebrate Christmas, isn't it? So Christmas is the main festival of Christians. Then some of the other festivals like Buddhist, which are the important festival of Buddhist. Yes, Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima, birthday of Buddha. Okay, Buddha Purnima. And Jains celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, Mahavir Jayanti is the important festival of Jains. So these are the some of the festivals celebrated by different religious people. So Jains celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima. Christians celebrate Christmas. Muslims celebrate Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Zuha. Then we celebrate many festivals like Dasra, then Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, okay, Durga Puja, Janmashtami. These are the some of the festivals of Hindus. So these are the some of the religious festivals. Okay, now let us discuss some of the harvest festivals also. Yes, now let us discuss some of the harvest festival of India. So we know Tamil Nadu, which is the main harvest festival children. Tamil Nadu, Tamilians celebrate Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Okay, then next we can discuss Punjab. What is the main harvest festival children? Yes, Punjab it is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Then next Assam, which is the harvest festival? Yes, Assam it is Bihu. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. Then we know Keralians, which is the main festival, harvest festival of Kerala. Yes, it is Onam. So like that way different harvest festivals also celebrated by each state. Okay, that means particular region have some festivals that are, yes, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Baisakhi in Punjab, then Bihu in Assam, Onam in Kerala. These are some of the harvest festival. Okay, then some of the other festivals are Ugadi. Ugadi is celebrated by Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. They celebrate Ugadi, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Yes, Ugadi is one of the most important festival in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. They celebrate it to welcome new year. Okay, so why do they celebrate this? They celebrate this Ugadi to welcome their new year. Okay, then another important festival in North India, it is Holi. In North India, the people celebrate Holi. Okay. Holi is the festival of colors we studied, isn't it? Why they celebrate this festival? Yes, they celebrate this festival to welcome spring season. Okay, so these are the some of the festival of India. Ugadi is celebrated by Andhra Pradesh and Telangana to welcome their new year. Okay, then North Indians celebrate Holi. Holi is celebrated for welcoming spring season. These are the some of the important festivals in India. Okay, so we can which are the important festivals of India? Yes, we already told some religious festivals and some of the harvest festivals also, isn't it? So some of the harvest festival in India are Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Baisakhi in Punjab. Then that means Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi. Okay. Then Bihu in Assam, Onam in Kerala. Then Ugadi is celebrated by the people in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana to welcome their new year. And next is North Indians. They celebrate Holi to welcome their welcome spring season. Okay, so these are the some of the festivals of India. Okay, so next we have to discuss workbook. So everybody take your workbook. Page number 25, Festivals of India. S1, Festivals of India. Everybody write date at first. Okay. Then first question is, list some of the festivals of India. So you can see 3 columns here. In the first column it is name of festival. Second column, who celebrate this festival, and third column, why is it celebrated. So we have to find out some of the festivals. Now only we discussed some festivals of India. Okay, so we can write name of the festival in the first column. So one is given for you. Yes, it is Buddha Purnima. Who celebrate this festival, children? Yes, Buddhist religion. They belong to the people belong to Buddhist religion celebrate this festival. Okay, those who follow Buddhist religion. Why is it celebrated? Yes, it is celebrated to for the birthday, isn't it? It is celebrated the birthday of Lord Buddha. Okay, so it is the birthday of Lord Buddha. Then second one we can write Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, second one, so you can write Mahavir Jayanti. So Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated, who celebrate this festival? Yes, those who follow Jain religion. Those who follow Jain religion celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, then why is it celebrated? Yes, to celebrate the birthday of Mahavira. Okay, it is the birthday of Vardhamana Mahavira. So you can write it is the birthday of Mahavira. Okay. So second one we can write Mahavir Jayanti. Who celebrate this festival? Those who follow Jain religion. Okay. Then third column what we can write? Why is it celebrated? To celebrate birthday of Mahavira. Okay. Then third festival what we can write? Durga Puja. Durga Puja is celebrated by the people of West Bengal. Okay. So who celebrate this festival? It's celebrated by Hindus from Bengal. Okay. So the people from Hindus in Bengal celebrate this festival. Durga Puja, it is celebrated by Hindus from Bengal. And you can write why is it celebrated? To worship goddess Durga. Okay, the next one we can write Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus from North India. Okay, Hindus from North India celebrate Diwali. Why is it celebrated? To worship goddess Lakshmi. Okay, to worship goddess Lakshmi and light lamps. We know Diwali is known as the festival of light. So that day they light lamps. Okay, so fourth one we can write Diwali. It is celebrated by Hindus from North India. And why is it celebrated? To worship goddess Lakshmi and light lamps. Then next we can write Eid. Who celebrate Eid? Yes, people who follow Islam. Those who follow Islam religion, isn't it? So the people who follow Islam. Then why is it celebrated? To worship Allah. Okay, to worship Allah. Then Eid, people who follow Islam and to worship Allah. That is the answer. Next one. Then Christians. What next we can write? Christianity. Okay, next, Christmas. Christmas is the next festival. Yes, who celebrate these festivals? All Christians. Christians celebrate Christmas. Why is it celebrated? It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay, it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Next one, it is Holi. Holi is celebrated by the people in North India. Why do they celebrate? Why is it celebrated? To play with the colors. It is the festival of colors we studied, right? So to play with colors. Okay. Then which are the last one we can write? Holi. Holi is celebrated by the people in North India. Why is it celebrated? To play with the colors. Okay. Then second question is, which is your favorite festival and why? So you can write your own answer. You can write my favorite festival is Eid. On this day I will go to my friends and relatives home. We will wish each other Eid Mubarak, and we are exchanging gift each other, isn't it? We prepare different kinds of food. Okay, like that way you can write any answer. So it is your own answer you have to give. Then third one, it is Christmas and Eid celebrated only in India? Give reason for your answer. Christmas and Eid is celebrated only in India. Give reason for your answer. So we can easily write the answer. Christmas and Eid is not only celebrated all across India. Isn't it, children? It is celebrated all over the world. Why it is? Because there are Christians and Muslims in other countries besides India. Hindus and Muslims and Christians are all over the world. So Christmas and Eid is not only celebrated in India. Okay, so how can we give the answer? Yes, Christmas and Eid are celebrated all across the world because there are Christians and Muslims in other countries besides India. Okay, so this is the way you can give the answers. Now let us discuss practice question. Next, let us discuss practice question. So, practice question number 2. What is a harvest festival? List some harvest festivals of India. Harvest festivals are the festivals. It is celebrated for the good harvest of crops. On this day, people worship nature. Okay. Then examples of harvest festivals are Pongal, Bihu, Baisakhi, Onam, etc. These are some of the harvest festival of India. Then give 2 reasons why you celebrate festivals. So we can say which are the reasons we celebrate festivals. So one reason we can say to have a happy time with our family and friends. Then second reason we can say to show our respect towards God and nature. Okay, so these are the some reason we are celebrating festivals. So this much enough for today's class. Hope you all understood today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.